I used to wake up and feel like a failure every single morning, like I was already behind, you know? The number on the scale just confirmed it. I'd think, not again, not today. It was exhausting. It felt impossible to escape. Not because I didn't try, not because I was lazy, but because I was chasing a number and not a life. I was so focused on what my body like that, I forgot to ask myself what it to feel good, to feel strong, to feel like again. So in this video, I'm not giving you another crash diet. I'm giving you something way more powerful, a sustainable, real, unshakable plan that actually works and sticks. Because you don't just want to lose weight. You want to feel confident. You want freedom. You want your life back. Let's do this. Before you even think about counting calories or stepping on a scale, before you do a single thing, I need you to ask yourself, why? Why do I want to lose weight? And don't give me some surface-level answer. I'm talking about a deep, soul-level why. We're digging deep here, guys. For me, I wanted to be able to play tag with my son without getting winded. I wanted to wear clothes I loved, not just what fit. Most importantly, I wanted to respect myself again. And trust me, your why is everything. It's your compass. Because I'm telling you, if it's rooted in shame, if it's coming from a place of self-hate, you will quit. You'll give up before you even really start. But if your why is rooted in self-love, if it's about becoming the strongest, healthiest version of you, that's how you fight for it. That's how you win. Guys, I am the queen of trying every single diet out there. So first thing, you have to build a nutrition plan that doesn't suck. I have tried keto, low-carb, juice cleanses, fasting. I even tried that cabbage soup diet once. Don't ask, I was. And guess what? I always gained the weight back. Every single time. But here's what I finally learned. Sustainability isn't about restriction. It's not about cutting out every single thing you enjoy. It's about consistency. So ditch the all-or-nothing mentality that's making you feel crazy and adopt this rule instead. It's the rule that changed my entire life, 80-20. Listen, 80% of the time, you're focusing on whole foods. Fruits, veggies, lean protein, healthy fats. You know the drill. This isn't about being perfect. It's about giving your body what it to thrive. And the other 20%, that's for joy, baby. That's for pizza night with your family. That's for birthday cake. That's for the things you love that make life worth living. This isn't about fearing food. This is about fuel. This is about understanding what your body needs and building a sustainable plan that doesn't leave you feeling deprived. Second thing to do, move like you love yourself. Let me let you in on a little secret. You do not have to become a gym rat to lose weight. You don't need to spend hours on a treadmill or become a CrossFit champion, unless you want to. The key is to find something, anything that makes you feel good. Something that makes you want to move your body because it feels good to move your body. Not because you have to, but because you want to. For me, it started with dancing in my living room. Seriously, I'd blast music, let loose, and just have fun. No judgment, just pure, unadulterated joy. So find your thing. Maybe it's hiking, maybe it's biking, maybe it's swimming, maybe it's just walking around your neighborhood. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you enjoy it. Because here's the thing, working out shouldn't feel like a punishment. It should feel like a celebration of what your body can do. So ditch the calorie burn obsession and just move. Your body will thank you for it. Third important thing is changing your mindset. Mindset is the real muscle. Here's the hard truth. Weight loss isn't just physical. It's emotional. It's mental. It's spiritual. It's about changing your relationship with yourself, with food, and with your body. For me, that meant rewiring decades of negative self-talk. It meant learning to forgive myself for the times I slipped up, for the times I ate the pizza, for the times I hit snooze instead of going for a run. We all make mistakes. We all fall off track. But it's what you do after the mistake that matters. It's about getting back up, dusting yourself off, and saying, okay, that happened. Now let's keep going. You're not going to be perfect in this journey. You're not supposed to be, but you can be powerful. Every time you choose yourself, every time you show up for yourself, every time you make a healthy choice, you rewrite your story. Fourth secret is practicing patience while building habits. Play the long game. Let me tell you, fast results, they fade just as fast. They're like that sugar rush. Exciting at first, but then you crash and you're left feeling worse than before. But small, boring, consistent actions, the ones you do day in and day out even when you don't feel like it, those are the actions that build empires. Those are the actions that change your life. For me, it was about creating sustainable habits that fit into my life. Meal prep Sundays where I cooked healthy food for the week, 30-minute walks every single day no matter what, weekly check-ins with myself to track my progress and celebrate my wins. And most importantly, it was about forgiving myself for the setbacks, because they're gonna happen. Life is gonna happen. But I learned to adjust, to adapt, and to keep going. Build those habits, my friend. Make them so strong that even when life gets hard, you don't fall off. You just adjust your footing. You find your balance, and you keep climbing. Outrow, it was never about the scale. The number on the scale, it never set me free. It was the confidence that did. It was the self-love. It was the feeling of taking my life back, one healthy choice at a time. I started smiling again. I started speaking up. I started walking into rooms like I deserved to be there. Because I finally understood weight loss wasn't the goal. It was never the goal. Becoming her, becoming him was. And you're one sustainable step away from becoming them too. So if you're ready to build a plan that doesn't just shrink your body, but expands your life, hit that subscribe button right now and check more videos in our channel to unlock the secrets to your healthy lifestyle journey. Tell me in the comments, what's your why? Say it out loud, make it real, you're not alone.